Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block any attack from your opponents on the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 8 game on your device and start any match that you wish. Now, once you start a match, you will be asked to choose a side that you prefer to fight from. After you have chosen a side and your difficulty level, the match will begin right away. Now, if you are fighting from the left side, then whenever your enemy is attacking your player, then simply hold the back button, which is the left button, and this will block normal attacks from your opponent. However, if your enemy is attacking towards the ground, you will also need to hold the down button in order to block low attacks. Similarly, if you are on the right side, then you will need to hold the right button to move away from your opponent in order to block. And just as before, you will need to hold the down button if your enemy is attacking down towards the ground as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block attacks from your enemy on the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.